Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any particular website, how you can add it for review button on your particular website. What is the purpose of review button? Any person, we can give the review on your particular website or Google Map and they can show you a particular service purpose. First of all, go to which is the map will be here. Select your map. Here the option name is called ask for reviews. Click this, copy the review link, which is our web pages. Here will be given by the social link will be into the particular website. Here will be social link, we can go for it. And what are our link will be here in Google. Click this option. Suppose in your option name is called Google. I am given by the Google review option. So what will happen? You can go for refresh. If any user click this Google link, that option will be shown to the customer review link option. That is called people review and click for the submit itself. So this review link we can give to the particular on your website. What will happen? Easily customer give the review on your particular business and your client portfolio purpose. So compulsory, what are the social link you will be created here? The links will be compulsory add on your particular website. So this is I'm using admin panel. Easily I'm adding for the particular review link on my particular website. If any further question, how you can add in for Google Map review link, you can and the people will be facing the how we can enable by review link. Please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.